In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Right now, I am trying to disassemble this iron, the beautiful Tefal Aquaspeed 5331. So the light is not turning on and neither the iron is getting hot, which means there seems to be some problem in the circuit. Fix that up, inshallah. So this is where I have reached so far, and as you can see, the last few bolts are a bit tight and none of my screwdrivers were successful in opening it, so the work has been stopped, and perhaps I will continue it. Hopefully I'll resolve this issue tomorrow morning. See ya. Stay tuned. Is we check the continuity of the wires. So it's just working. Let's see. Now comes the moment of truth. I have connected the whole iron again. Now let's test. I just tested it now. There was a lot of sparks. Bismillah. There's a bright light over there, but let's see if it becomes. Ooh, it's hotter. It's very hot. It's working. Seems to be working. That's great. Alhamdulillah.